Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Junaid Ahmad, and today I am taking you to a beautiful place surrounded by mountain, green tree, flowing water and breathing natural view. If you are a nature lover, then this video is for you. So sit back, relax and enjoy this amazing journey with me. As you can see, we are surrounded by tall and beautiful mountains. These mountains make this place look like a paradise. The fresh air, peaceful atmosphere and natural beauty make every moment special. Look at the greenery all around. The trees and plants add life and color to the landscape. Nature has blessed this area with incredible beauty that attracts visitors from different places. Now let's enjoy the sound of the flowing water. The clear stream moving through the valley create a peaceful and relaxing environment. Listening to the water and watching the natural scenery helps us forget the stress of daily life. One of the most beautiful parts of this area is the waterfall. The water falling from the rocks creates an amazing view. Many visitors stop here to take photo, record video and enjoy the cool atmosphere. Traveling to places like this reminds us how beautiful our world is. We often get busy in our daily routine and forget to appreciate nature. That's why visiting natural places is important for our mind and hearts. I walk through this area, every corner offers a new and beautiful scene. The mountain, trees, rocks and water together create a picture perfect landscape. This place is also a great destination for female traveler, hiker and photographer. Adventure lovers, whether you want to relax or explore, there is something here to everyone. The peaceful environment and natural beauty make this location truly unforgettable. If you ever get this chance to visit a place like this, don't miss this opportunity. I hope you are enjoy this beautiful journey with me. If you like travel video, natural vlogs, waterfall, rivers and mountain view, make sure to support my channel. Your support motivates me to explore more beautiful places and share them with you.
Thank you so much for watching this video and spending your valuable time with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Junaid Ahmad signing off. Allah Hafiz, and see you in the next adventure.